So very good evening to all. So myself Anand, I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering in past 10 years. So I am handling the electrical BEEE and electrical engineering practice lab, electrical electronics for first year mechatronics students. So today I am going to discuss about the topic of or experiment of staircase wiring, that is two-way switch. In this class we are going to mapping the case study of staircase wiring along with electronics digital circuits, that is NOR gate and NOT gate. So remaining thing will explain by Harisha.
This is the staircase model and it has two switches. So it has the connections of straight connection and a cross connection. It can be used in the house applications and mostly it is used on light bases on the house, bedrooms and kitchens, and it has many gate models, and we use only two gate models, NOR gate and XNOR gate, and the remaining things will be explained by Asir.
So my name is Asir. I'm going to explain the connections of this
Staircase wiring.
Staircase wiring. So we have two connections, that is one is cross and another is straight. It's very simple, nothing but in our home you usually see that for electronics appliances like fan or light, we have two switches for the same connection. If we switch it on once, then the other switch should be off, then only we can see the fan is running or the light lit. This is because it's a cross connection, and in straight connection we can see that both switches need to be on. So that's how this happens, and let me explain that. In these switches we have two-way switches. In this, suppose we consider the switch as 0 and 1. In straight connection, the 0 and here also 0 should be on, then only it works. In cross connection, if one part is on, another must be off. That's how it works. I carry on to Manish.
Like he said, we are going to see this in XOR gate or XNOR gate. By using XNOR gate, if the switch is on, we will consider this in 0, and when the switch is on.
So we have two cases. One is switch on, one is switch off. Switch on is nothing but
0.
Switch on is on 1. Switch off is 0. So likewise we are going to map the same experiment with XNOR gate.
When two switches is off, the light will not be glow. When the two switches is on, the light will be glow. That means when switch 1 and switch 2 it should be in 0, then the light will off. The switch 1 and switch 2 must be in 1. Same goes, the light does not on. When the switch in straight connections, when in cross connection the switch must be in the switch 1 in 0, then switch 2 is in the root. We have two inputs and one output. When the two inputs are in off, the output will be also in off. Then the two inputs in on, the output will be also off. When the one input and one out two inputs are in alternative, like 1 0 on 1 or 1 or 0, the output will be in on.
So now Manish explained how the staircase wiring, the cross connections mapped with XOR gate. Now he is going to explain the XNOR gate applications with the staircase wiring straight connections.
So now I am going to tell about XNOR gate, how it implies in the staircase wiring two-way switch. So now you all know about XNOR gate. In XNOR gate, like Sir said, 0 is off and 1 is on. So now take that in a XNOR gate. So now the first switch is.
So how many inputs and how many outputs in XOR gate?
Sir,
also you are going to tell how many inputs and how many outputs in staircase wiring. Just you map that too.
Yes, sir. So now first switch is 0 and second switch is also in 0. The output will be 1. So in second case, first switch is 0 and second switch is in 1. The output will be 0. That is off. So in third case, switch 1 is in 1 and switch 2 is in 0. The output will be 0. It is off. So in fourth case, switch 1 is in 1 and switch 2 is also in 1. The output will be 1. That is on. So like this only XNOR gate implies in staircasing wiring. two-way switch.
As Manish and Asik said, we have two connections in staircase wiring, and it was mapped with XNOR gate. So two inputs are 0 na output will be 0, two output will 1 na output will be 0. The remaining zeros are 1 and 0. I mean 0 and 1, 1 and 0. The output will be on. This light will be turned on. Thank you.